Hello, everybody. So, a lot of people seem to feel like they have to go to the hair salon just to put in a weave ponytail. Well, that is not exactly true. I've been doing my hair since I was 15 years old, and I have one arm, so if I could do it, it's actually pretty easy. There's no problems with doing it. I like to take 2-inch bobby pins. Doesn't matter long as they're strong. And a lot of people use the wrong side of the bobby pin. Sorry about that. See this ruffled edge right here on the bobby pins? Well, that is the part that is supposed to go towards your scalp. A lot of people put the bobby pins in with the flat edge towards their scalp, which is actually incorrect. When you put the rugged part to your scalp, it gives more grip and more hold, and the bobby pin gathers everything and it makes it harder to slip out, therefore keeping your hairstyle in place. So now we're going to get started with my wavy ponytail. I like to see the double stitched edge, and I like to take that one and put that part first, touching my actual hair. Now, for you guys, you want to take your own hair first, gel it up really well, whatever gel you use. I only have one kind that I use because that's one kind that will hold my hair in place for as long as I need it to, and it actually grows your hair as well. So it's really good for your hair. It has nutrients in it. Don't quote me on that, but it grows mine, and a lot of black people swear by it, and I'm one of them. So I won't tell you what kind it is. I don't get paid to promote products or anything. This is just showing you what I do. You want to gel your hair up. I leave my hair out depending on the style I'm going to do. Sometimes if you've tucked your hair in or whatever, you have a big gap opening in the middle of your ponytail. So if the style that you want to do will kind of make that awkward and not look so pretty. So for this hairstyle that I'm going to do after I put my ponytail in, I can leave this out or fold it. When I put ponytails in my hair, I kind of like to just do different styles, and a lot of styles of my own. So I make up my own styles and they come out pretty. And I usually get maybe 5 or 6 hairstyles out of one ponytail. And sometimes it doesn't even look like I have a ponytail in my hair, just depending on, what style I'm going for, how I feel that day or whatever. So enough rambling, guys. Let's get to it. As I said, we want to take the double edge, the double stitching of the weft, and put it to your hair. Okay? Now I'm going to take my 2-inch bob pin, and I like to, hold on, let me look in this mirror, because I want to have it where I can hold. So when I first start, I have to do it this way, guys, because like I said, I have one arm, and I need it to be still. So you want to take it and take the very edge. Hold on, that came out. It's fine, guys. Let me get my bob pin out. Now, sometimes this happens, depends on if I've put grease and gel in my hair or whatever product I have in it. This particular time, I do have gel and a different product that makes it a little slippery. So it's going to slide off if I don't get this in really quick. So there. Now, what you want to do, guys, is have it maybe just a little bit from the edge at the end. That's where you want to put your first bobby pin. Now, some of you guys, I know, go out there getting rustles and tussles with other females and guys, and you guys fight. I like to put mine in super, not too tight where it pulls your hair out and damages your nerves and causes baldness, but tight enough. That's why I put enough bobby pins in, so if you do get in a tussle and someone grabs your hair, your ponytail stays in your head. So if you put it in correctly and you get enough fight and it doesn't come out, you know you've done it right. Now what you want to do, guys, is you want to take that weft, you want to wrap it around, ensuring that the loose hair is not caught in the wraparound. You always want to avoid putting the loose hair inside because that will be a problem when you're done, okay? Now, when you wrap it around your bobby pin, you want to open it a little bit and put that first wrap in between the two pins. That ensures that it's holding on this end and holding on that end, okay? Now, like I said, make sure your hair is out of the way. You don't want to twist it. Make sure you still have it straight. You want to keep it straight, okay? Keep it as close to the bottom of your head as you go. And kind of pull. Get it a little tight, not too tight, but tight. And go around, okay? Ensuring that this doesn't twist up like that. You want to keep it straight, guys. And you just continue that. Now you can hold your head down. That way you have better control over this. Now I'm going to take a second bobby pin. I like to wrap maybe 2 or 3 times. Then I take a bobby pin and I stick it in. Now when you stick the bobby pin in, you want to stick it in from the opposite side where you began the first bobby pin. You want to open it up and you want to be sure that you've gotten every wrap inside that bobby pin. Once you go around again, ensuring not to have your hair tangled in there. Once you go around again, you're going to have the weft here, and it's going to be touching the back of that bobby pin. It's going to be pushing it into place. So you want to ensure that you have your bobby pin in correctly and your weft is going to line up just right with it. That way it's going to put it in really tight and it's going to hold it. Okay? Now remember, guys, where you started your bobby pin. Okay? So that's 2. Now I'm going to put 1. And the reason you're going to go from each side, because you want to ensure that your bobby pin is held in. That your ponytail is held in from each side of your hair. Ensuring, again, that your ponytail stays in your hair and in place. So now remember, we've done the front, we've done the back, we've done the side with the bobby pin. That's going to ensure a pretty secure hold on your ponytail. Okay? Now, I got the pack where you have 2 bundles off in there. Depends on what style you're going to do and exactly how thick you want your ponytail to be. Okay? Now, remember, because it's going to twist on you, so that's why you want to feel the line and make sure you're doing it correctly. Now, I'm going to flip my hair over this way. That way, I can secure this side. It's really simple. Like I said, you don't have to go and pay someone hundreds and, just obscene amounts of money to do something this simple. Okay? Now that I've secured that side, back over here, flip, let it fall, ensure that your hair is not caught in there. Make sure your weft is straight. Continue to wrap. And guys, it doesn't matter. You could go and get wavy hair, straight hair. It's all the same. You still put it in the same way, as long as it's a weft. You don't have to glue your hair just to have a ponytail. And guys, I will be making more videos. Some hairstyles do require glue, but a lot of my hairstyles, no. I don't like to wear too much glue. I don't care what product they make. We're at the end, but let me finish this sentence. What product they make to keep your hair from falling out, your actual hair. I don't like my hair being pulled out. I don't like it being damaged. I try to use as less product as I can, Anyway, that's another story, another video. You're at the end, so you want to feel exactly where the end of your weft is. Okay? You can take your other hand. Me, I have one hand. You can take your other hand and keep your finger on it so you know exactly where it is. But trust me, with one hand, it's not hard to just go up there, feel it, find out where it's at. Okay? So again, you want to put your bobby pin in and secure the end of that weft. No matter if the weft ends up in the front, back, or the side, doesn't matter. You still want to secure it at the end. That way, when you go to comb your hair out, this and that, get to pulling on it, it won't come out. Okay? Now, you always want to go, and at the end of the weft, give your hair a tug. And if it comes loose, then you haven't got your bobby pin in correctly. If you feel it and it feels a little tight and you feel that it's going to be secure, then you're good. You could take, now this could be all that I put in, or I could take the other part and put it in. But you're done now. You can basically put your band around your ponytail. You can style and pull your hair as you want. Whatever you choose to do. Now, remember when I said the middle, I told you to leave your hair out? Because now you see my hair here in the middle? There would have been a big hole and a big ball right there with this hair spread around it. Now, if you do this, it's fine. You can always work your own hair in and blend it in. Like I said, depends on how you want to style your hair. Me, I'm going to take it, blend it in. It's really, and trust me, guys, it's easier this way to blend your hair in. If you're going to let it fall, let it fall. If you're going to flip it to the side, don't worry about it. Flip it to the side. Work it in. When you put that gel on your own hair, whether you have wavy hair or not, you can do this, and your hair will get wavy with this, okay? But this is a video on how to put in a ponytail. So in order to style it, that's another video. So guys, subscribe to my channel, and I will put up more videos. If I see that you guys like it and you start subscribing to my channel, when you're subscribing to this video post, then I will make more videos for you guys. I actually have some pretty cute styles I would love to show you guys how to get out of a ponytail. You'd be amazed. No glue. Bobby pins, wefts, that's all you need. Goodbye, guys. Love you.